Mazda 6024 is a medium-sized sedan that combines style, performance, and efficiency. Mazda 6 2024's external design is brilliant and modern, with a new radiator finger, mice, and bumper that gives it sports and aggressive looks. The back of the Mazda 6 2024 is also updated with new rear flashlights and a redesigned bumper that enhances its elegance and delicacy. The Mazda 6 2024 is available in 7 colors, such as live red and blue from classic white and black. Mazda 6 2024 also has a variety of wheel options ranging from 17 buttons to 19 buttons that complement its dynamic shape and posture. Mazda 6 2024 is a car chosen from the crowd with its appearance reflecting its quality and innovation. The Mazda 6 2024 is a vehicle that has been glimpsed into the group with its visibility to reflect its quality and development. Mazda 6 2024 is a medium-sized sedan that offers a mixture of style, performance, and efficiency. The Mazda 6 2024 is equipped with a new generation of Skyactiv engines that use a high compression ratio and a soft hybrid system to provide more power and less emissions. Mazda 6 2024 has 2 engine options: a 2.0-liter Skyactiv G gasoline engine and a 3.3-liter Skyactiv X turbine. The 2.0-liter Skyactiv G gasoline engine is available in 2 power outlets, 143 horsepower or 163 horsepower. The engine is smooth and sensitive and can reach speeds of 0-102 miles per hour in 9.8 or 9.1 seconds respectively. The 2.0-liter Skyactiv G petrol engine also has good fuel consumption and has an estimated 40 mph combined. The 3.3-liter Skyactiv X Turbo Maharaki Mazda is a stronger and more interesting option for 2024. The engine produces 280 horsepower and 332 pounds, 332 SQM of spin, and can accumulate speeds of 0-102 miles per hour in 8.1 seconds. The 3.3-liter Skyactiv X Turbo Maharaki also combines a 48-volt hybrid assistance system that can add 17 horsepower and 113 pounds-foot spinning moments and makes it even more sensitive and efficient. The 3.3-liter Skyactiv X turbo engine has a combined power of approximately 35 mph. Mazda 6 2024 is a car that delivers both performance and efficiency thanks to the new Skyactiv engines. Both engines will be combined with an 8-story automatic transmission and will have a full transmission option. Mazda 6 2024 is a car that will satisfy drivers who want sports and dynamic driving experience and who want to drive fluently and efficiently. Mazda 6 2024 is a vehicle that demonstrates the development and nature of Mazda, and is therefore a vehicle that demonstrates Mazda's innovation and quality. Mazda 6 2024 is a medium-sized sedan that offers a comfortable and luxurious interior with its modern and elegant design. Mazda 6 2024 has a spacious lounge with lots of legs and headspace for both front and rear passengers. The seats are equipped with high-quality materials such as leather, lime, or fabric, depending on the level of trim. The seats are also regulated, heated, and aired for optimal comfort and convenience. Mazda 6 2024 also has a new chart with minimalist and ergonomic design. The management panel has a 10.3-inch sensor screen data entertainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Mazda Connect services. There is also a supervisor spinning for easy and intuitive work in the data entertainment system, and the management panel also has a 7-inch digital tool class that reflects important information such as speed, fuel levels, and driving regimes. Mazda 6 2024 also has a variety of features and technologies that enhance driving experience and safety. Mazda 6 2024 has 2 zones of automatic air conditioning, electric luxury, wireless energy filling panel, BOSE sound system, and headscreen. Mazda 6 2024 also has advanced driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, border storage assistance, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic signals, and a 360-degree camera. Mazda 6 2024 is a car that combines style, performance, and innovation, and the interior reflects its quality and ingeniousness. Mazda 6 2024 is a car that will impress both drivers and passengers with its convenience, and technology. Mazda 6 2024 is a car that demonstrates Mazda's excellence and vision. It will also have autonomous control capabilities that will allow the driver to relax and enjoy the ride while driving. Mazda 6 2024 is a safe and reliable car designed to protect you and your passengers on the road. The automobile has a 5-star safety rating from the National Automobile Traffic Safety Administration and is the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety Best Safety Choice. Automobiles also have a variety of safety features and technologies, such as blind points. Monitoring, this system alerts you when you have a car blind spot and helps prevent collisions when changing stripes. Exit warning, this system helps you stay on the road and avoid accidents by alerting you when you step outside your bar. Adaptive cruise control. This system automatically regulates your speed to keep a safe distance with the car in front of you and helps reduce stress and fatigue in long drives. Autonomous driving. This system allows the car to control itself in certain situations, such as magistral roads or congestion, and gives you more comfort and convenience. Mazda 6 2024 is a car you can trust with its elegant design, powerful engine, and comfortable lounge. But most importantly, it is a car that will keep you safe with a high safety rating and advanced safety features. Mazda 6 2024 is a car you would love to drive. Mazda 6 is expected to be released as soon as possible in early 2024. The main version of Mazda 6 will cost about $23,000, and the premium version will be about $35,000. However, these prices can vary depending on market conditions and the latest technical features of the car. In 2024, Mazda will be an impressive car offering 6 new levels of style, performance, and technology. It will be a strong competitor in the mid-size sedan segment by competing with models such as Honda Accord, Toyota Camry, and Hyundai Sonata. The 2024 Mazda 6 model is definitely worth waiting for anyone looking for a reliable, comfortable, and fun car to drive.